Hi guys, this is David at SmartMovesPT. For you guys who don't know who I am, I'm a physical therapist, and over the last year I've been doing exclusively telehealth. So I've built up a platform where I make recommendations for some of my patients that have in need of equipment for the home. And during the pandemic, the right products, sometimes it can be hard to find what's good. You read reviews on Amazon and they're all over the place. So I was actually looking for a rehab table. Some of my patients have mobility impairments, and we tried to work through different scenarios in home, how to find a best fit for them. But you can use a bed, you can use an ottoman, but sometimes it's good with all the forward flexion we're doing just to work in prone and have a sturdy surface to do that. And if you're someone like me who has a young small puppy at home, lying on the floor is impossible without the dog jumping all over you. So I was looking for tables. It was portable treatment tables, but also something that was sturdy. As things start to open up, I'm going to be doing more home treatments as needed, and I was looking for a solution. Surprised that there wasn't a video about this table. I stumbled across this table. Very good price point. The reviews are pretty good. I looked at possibly using a wooden table, but they get heavy, and a lot of times if you're looking used for a wooden table, you have to be aware. A lot of times they're at the end of their useful life, either the foam padding, the stitching, things are starting to fall apart. In the case of safety, a lot of times the wooden pegs in the underside of the table, if they're starting to fail, you don't want to do that, especially if you're working with patients. So this table, I'm not even going to try to spell the name right. It's say it right. It's Mefeir, M-E-F-E-I-R. It could be private labeled by another company, but the things I liked about it, I was looking for heavy capacity. It's rated. It says it's rated at up to 500 pounds, 450, 500. Look at their site. I'll put the link down below. But it's lightweight for portability. It's set up now, obviously, but they call it a three-fold table, and really it folds in half and then it clips. But for the money, I paid just a little over $130, and there might be a coupon that lowers that. It might be a little higher now, but check for yourself. But the table itself, very impressed. Not only I like the colors, it stands out. Someday I'm going to be going back to doing some shows and conferences, and this matches our branding, but certainly that's not why I picked it out. I certainly like the fact that you have the adjustable armrest underneath for when you're in prone, you have the head cradle, you have the port that you can look down and have your head supported in neutral so you can breathe. Also the removable arm rest for wider individuals that, whether they're in prone or on their back, want to have that extra shoulder width and to put their hands in prone. But just overall, good features. The table actually lifts on this end. It's buckled now, but it clips up. So, it's a 73-inch table versus an 84. Some, massage therapists want the longer, larger table. But I have to say, for the money, I'm very impressed. I'm going to show you too, a little bonus. It comes with a nice branded carry bag with a shoulder strap. So, I'm going to be recommending it to more of my patients, and I just thought for other therapists or anyone, I know it sounds like some tattoo artists like this table for the same reason, but I like the underside. It is adjustable. That's the other part, and as opposed to the wood, the adjustable tubing makes it a little bit lighter in weight, and there's some comments about whether or not it's actually what is advertised in price. It's definitely under 30 pounds. I haven't weighed it, but just picking it up. So pretty doable, and sturdy. For the money, I don't think you can go wrong. So I'm going to give it 10 out of 10 or 5 stars, and probably post this under my review on Amazon as well. But I'm going to make it available to my community at Smart Moves for my top 10 list of home equipment must-haves. So that's all for now. Thanks for watching.